Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome back to another month of Club EP. This is the May 2021 kit, and I got it the other day a little earlier than expected, but I had already finished those other cards, and then, of course, my work schedule went flip-flop. So I'm doing this today, and I'm really excited. I did not look on the website first to see what the kit was. I really resisted the urge because I wanted to be surprised. And so let's start opening. There we go. All right, here we go. Okay, let's get it out of the box and put the box away. Okay, here's some flyers, promotional flyers, bounce back bonus, get an additional 10% off your next order. And some sets that are available. Magical, birthday, Card Makers Club. Cool. Here's a welcome baby. And here's washi tape. Real pretty stripes. And here's our inspirational. And the set is called Summer. So there's lots of cool things we can make. Ooh, wow, look at these. Adhesive brads. Wow, cool. Those are really nice. Those are different. Okay. Here's ephemera. Lots of cool ephemera. Nice. And of course, it's the end of May, so it's just in time for summer. The beautiful colors. Wow, look at that. Oh, that bicycle. So many ephemera pieces. You can make tons of cards with this. Okay, so there's the ephemera. And enamel dots. Cute, cute, cute. Chipboard accents. All kinds of good stuff. You got your watermelon, you got your flowers. You know, the other day when I made the butterflies, I used the Seaside spray paper. I think these colors match. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is going to be so fun. I can use the butterflies that I made, that I cut out. Wow, how is that? Look at that. Perfect. That's just too cool. Okay, so here is, oh, we didn't get a 6x6 in this set. Huh. That's unusual. Usually you get a 6x6. Okay. And this is it Cartabella. I'm pretty sure it's Cartabella, yes. You can just tell by the texture. So here's our beautiful flowers. And like I said, the butterfly, the color goes perfect. The Seaside Spray. So there's flowers on one side, plaid on the other. Some cut aparts. And watermelon, how cool is that? Yum. Love watermelon. Stamps and polka dots. And some more flowers. And stripes with this pretty little, this would make a good scrapbook page. There's some more cut aparts. And a pretty pink polka dot. Lemons, Who knows the Lemon Tree song from back in the day? And here's a really cute montage. And then some little flowers in that beautiful muted, I call it Seaside Spray because it's pretty close. Oh, look at these little tags. How cute is that? And then here's some beautiful flowers. And some more flowers. Awesome, awesome. And some checker. And flowers in mason jars. That is really cute. And yellow. I like that. Some more cut aparts. Wow. And pretty. Oh, I love those colors. Very summery. Oh, strawberries. Nice. And some green polka dot. And then we have our sticker sheet. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Love the colors. Very colorful. Okay, so this is the May 2021 Club Echo Park set. I'm going to be doing 5 cards, 1 kit, and I'm also going to be using this for the June Show Us Your Sheet Load from Alicia of Call Me Crafty Owl. So don't miss out on that. Looking forward to seeing you again. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.